อยู่ๆก็มองเธอแล้วสงสัยทำไมคนนี้น่ารักจังอยู่ๆก็มองอะไรก็เพลอไปเห็นแต่เธออยู่ในนั้นจากที่ใจไม่เคยจะคิดก็กลายเป็นคิดถึงทุกวันหรือว่าตัวฉันตกหลุมรักของเธอซะแล้วจากที่ใจไม่เคยจะคิดก็กลายเป็นคิดถึงทุกวันหรือว่าตัวฉันตกหลุมรักของเธอซะแล้ว
So guys, it's another day and we're here na at BGC. So we're going today at KKB and what? Gonna buy the spring water that I like because he introduced
Why
it.
you suddenly below?
Why?
After so many days.
Yeah, because I'm so tired before and I don't have a mood before. Now only I have. And also it's the New Year is tomorrow na, right? So we are gonna buy some things for preparation of New Year's Eve. So we're buying some 12 circle fruits.
Remember, this time is very expensive.
How much?
Usually this box is 600 about.
In Chinese market. The heck? Here is only 100.
Because this is already not fresh anymore.
Yeah. Guys, nauna kami kasi akala ko late na kami pero hindi naman pala. Kami pa yung pinakauna. Kaya nagmamadali kami kanina. So guys, New Year na ngayong gabi. Pero magkikita-kita sila ng mga office mates niya tsaka ng boss niya. And sinama niya ako dito. Kaya nantay pa namin sila. So wala pa sila. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sila i-greet kasi lahat sila Chinese. So, nahihiya rin naman ako. Sabi ko nga iwan niya na lang ako sa condo pero ayaw niya kasi akong iwan doon. Sana may makain ako kasi tingin ko lahat ko spicy.
Supposed to be only me and him. Plan to drink Chargy today. And then I asked him to order one for me. I will pay him.
Now?
And he said, let's just order delivery. And then I said, if you order delivery, the other people will be awkward. Let's just order for everyone. He said, okay.
Guys, iniwan nila ako. Hindi ko alam saan sila pupunta. Pero okay lang kasi nahiya rin ako. Pero tingin ko kumukuha sila ng food nila. Yung food namin guys. Mukhang spicy to. Pero meron namang hindi spicy kasi alam nila ata na hindi ako kumakain masyado ng spicy. Okay guys, we're back in the condo. So, naglinis na kami dito sa bahay. So, ayan, may countdown na kami dito. 5 hours na lang before New Year. Yung aming New Year's Eve food. Also, bumili kami ng maraming fruits dito. Kasi inamin namin yung bigay ng parents ko yung sparkling one. So, kakain na lang kami ngayon for dinner dito sa condo. And bababa na lang kami mamaya sa 5th Avenue sa BGC High Street para mag-celebrate ng New Year's Eve. Here.
一个一个那个小左，你看上去好新鲜。Urban Leaf Design.
It's good? So guys, tapos na ako mag-makeup. Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung paano ko gagawin yung buhok ko. Gusto ko sanang gamitin check mo. So, paano? Pag-isipan ko pa. Okay guys, so tapos na ako mag-ayos ng hair and nakasuot na rin ako. My feet for today. Parang mala Japanese high school. So 3 years na lang. 2026 na. Ang bilis ng panahon. So di pa rin kami naalis. Nag-aantay pa kami ng hanggang 10 p.m. Pero ngayon ay 8:30 p.m. Kasi pag tumayo lang kami dun, nakakapagod. So antayin namin pag malapit ng mag-countdown para hindi nakakapagod yung aming New Year's Eve. Naririnig din pala namin dito yung NYE BGC 5th Avenue na event. Sabi pupunta sila. So yung mga pupunta daw ay SB19, ayan. PJ Monterde, KZ Tandingan, Apple de App, Parokyang Edgar, Jonella featuring JR, G22, DJ Mars Miranda, and hosted by Nicole Anderson and Mon Gutierrez. Hala, hindi ko alam na host pala sila dito. Grabe. Oh my God. So guys, first time ko rin nga palang mag-New Year dito sa BGC kasi lagi akong nag-New Year sa Cavite, which is dun sa family ko. And first time lang namin, kami parehas ng partner ko na dito mag-New Year sa BGC. Puro music lang naririnig namin. Pero kanina parang may host na. Feeling ko ang daming tao. Puno na agad siya, guys. Susot ako ngayon ng salamin kasi para makita ko silang lahat. Ayan, nasa kami. So, nagpa-perform na ngayon si Casey Tandingan. Naririnig ko siya. Tara. Ibigay namin sa guard. Ano ba? Ang daming tao ngayon sa BGC. Siyempre, merong event.
Wait. This is the other side.
Huh?
Where's the big screen? Only a monitor.
Yeah, maybe a countdown place.
Huh?
Maybe a countdown place.
What's that?
Waiting for the 12 noon, 12 midnight.
What? There's so many police.
Of course.
Policia.
Police siya.
There's a time. 1 hour 40.
Yeah.
BGC, make some noise! Yung pinakamalakas na kaya nyo in 3, 2, 1! Woo! Wow! That was really something for tonight.
To go! Let's make the loudest noise and make sure the entire Philippines hears us as we welcome 2026!
Make some noise, BGC today!
45 seconds left, here we go!
Send every
So ngayon, nakaupo na lang kami dito sa bato. Malapit sa condo niya kasi napagod na kami. Bali mga 1 hour and 30 minutes din kami nakatayo. Pero feeling ko ngayon 2 hours na. Ang daming nakapark dito na sasakyan. Kanina puno yan. Hanggang doon. Nagpo-post pa rin siya sa WeChat. Ako na hindi makapag-post kasi wala akong data. Wala akong post. Busy na. Actually, di na ako masyadong active sa social media. Kasi na-enjoy ko lang yung scene life. Hindi ako masyadong magpo-post. More on vlogs na ako. Pero actually, ang dami ko ng vlogs. Hindi ko lang na-upload. Wala kasi akong time mag-edit. Kailangan nito mag-post. Gutom na. So, taga. Wala. Tapos mo. Alam ko marami akong pagkadaanan this year. Last year, kasi 2026 na ngayon. Pero actually, hindi ko siya inaasahan na sobrang dami kong ma-experience sa buhay ko. Pero last year talaga, feeling ko yun yung worst year. Kaya sana ngayon, hopefully, maging okay na yung year ko. Sana this year, mas maraming opportunities, mas maraming masayang memories, mas maraming matutunan, and mas mag-grow pa yung sarap. That's it po. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, hindi pa rin siya nakapag-post. Ang boyfriend, ang duty ng every boyfriend. Ang magbuhat ng mabigat na bag. Ano ba? Why are you proposing na? Oh guys, itikman na naman yung Navarino. First time na titikin. Cheers! Happy New Year! Kabidyo ko po sa namin. Cheers! Sila nagbigay ng Navarino wine. Anong lasa, Day? Yun ang pangalan eh. I think this is much yummier with the ice.
Oh, it's good.
Wine na to?
Ano pa?
My face cannot lie. Okay lang. Masasarap nga siya pag may yelo. What do you think of?
Hard to say. It's great flavor, but it's...
So strong, right? So ito ang aming after New Year. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung lasa ng Novelino. Kasi ano lang siya, sparkling wine. Pero ako kasi nakatikim na ako ng sparkling wine before. Dati, hindi ko rin type. Pero parang okay lang naman sa akin. Hindi kasi ako nainom ng may alcohol. It is so windy here. But we have our neighbor's cat.
Uy! 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 Uy!
He's curious. Like, what the heck is that human doing here?
Uy!
Uy,
I thought it's a picture.
today is a good weather. Look, oh. Blue sky and there's a sun and so windy.
窗外的灯火慢慢熄灭了，房间的空气忽然变冷漠。我蜷缩在角落，抱紧了被窝，假装你还在这里陪着我。闭上眼睛，全是你微笑的面孔，睁开眼却只剩下漆黑。
Nagantay na lang kami ng
时钟在转动，敲下我迷惑，这种失去的感觉无法形容。让我睡着，别叫醒我的梦，让我在梦里继续和你相拥，让我以为我们还没有剧终，哪怕只有短短1分钟，我想说。 睡着